Tilo Trades here, the real deal, the premier trading YouTube channel here to give you all your tips and tricks and helping you navigate through today's modern trading world. What I really meant to say is the trading space really is a scam. All these YouTubers trying to sell you courses, they're trying to sell you all these different things. I believe mentorship works because trading, you definitely need a little bit of mentorship, or all these courses and all these regurgitated content on YouTube is all a scam. Trading is a individual endeavor that you need to take pretty serious, and you constantly watching YouTube about the same supply and demand, the same structure for support and resistance isn't going to help your trading. What's going to help your trading in the long term is yourself. You need to go through the trials and errors of trading so that you can build out your strategy. Every strategy is unique. Every approach is unique. Every set of eyes, every brain that tackles trading is unique. So you need to structure a trading plan that's going to work for you. All these trading YouTubers out there trying to sell you a course, they're trying to tag you along, make you watch the same content over and over and over again. It's just not going to help you. They're just selling you a get-rich-quick scheme, but trading really is not a get-rich kind of thing. I've come to learn that over the past year that I've been trading, and honestly, it's the most challenging endeavor that I've ever taken in my life, but I am starting to see success, and it really is awesome. I'm just going to bring you over, guys, to the charts real quick just to show you some simple things. What you're going to need to learn if you're a beginner trader, you need to learn about market structure, you need to learn about basic support resistance, basic supply and demand, and essentially just how to read a chart. That's what YouTube is good for. There's a couple of good YouTube channels that are going to teach you that. But outside of that, I don't really endorse watching too much YouTube trader content if you're going to become a trader. Here's the reason why. So I kind of put some lipstick on the charts here. I got a support, I got a resistance zone up here. I got a support zone down here. Basic market structure is going to be, you know, you got a good uptrend here. You got some consolidation in this area, and then you got a downtrend going this way. And then this is on the 3-minute chart. This is a chart that I typically trade off of, but it's starting to look like too much. It's starting to get hard to read the price here. So when I trade, I actually trade with no lines on the chart. I don't trade supply demand. I don't trade support resistance. I actually trade ICT concepts. I know there's going to be a lot of people who question ICT and his concepts and if he's a scammer or not, but I find his concepts work for me and I've implemented into my strategy. So there's that. Boo-hoo. But what you're going to have to learn in the beginning is price. You're going to have to learn time and price. You're going to have to learn about basic support resistance, uptrends, consolidation, downtrends. You're going to have to learn about basic VWAP, whatever. You're going to have to learn the basics of trading. That's going to take you a little bit of time. But that's really all you're going to need. We as traders try to complicate things and make it seem like we can know where the market's going. That's not going to be the case. And you don't really need to know where the market's going or what the market's going to do to make money. You can actually, what's the beautiful thing about trading is you can have a losing win percentage as long as your risk management is good. You can be profitable. Just look at some videos about some risk management plans. A good person who does a good risk management plan is going to be Nick Sean. I actually enjoy his YouTube channel sometimes, but he doesn't talk a lot about trading approaches. He talks more about the psychology and just managing your risk. That's kind of the only trading YouTube I watch. But outside of that, I don't watch any ICT content. I don't watch any supply. I just find that with these trading YouTube channels, they rope you in with a basic strategies, making it seem like they know a lot. Okay, look, you got some resistance here, you got some supply here. What you're gonna have to do is click sell here. They really tell you the same things over and over again, and it's always repetitive. But they're able to rope those people in. They're able to sell them a course. I believe in mentorships because I feel like everybody can use a little bit of guidance in the world, but selling you a $400 course to teach you about supply and demand and basic risk management is a scam. It's a whole scam. I've never bought a course. I've never believed in them. I'm never going to sell a course. I'm thinking about possibly providing mentorship later on, but selling you a course really just shows me that you're probably not a good trader. And like, education is important, but they're just trying to sell you a dream, but they're really just selling you nightmares. Like everybody knows the basics, right? Uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, liquidity, stuff like that. Everybody knows, and they just regurgitate the same content over and over again. That's why on this channel, I'm going to try to focus more on trading psychology, less about, technical analysis and the fundamental of trading. Everybody knows about all that stuff, and trading YouTube's just constantly all that stuff. And I'm not trying to put out content that I wouldn't want to watch. So that's what this channel is going to be about. And if you're about that, click like, click subscribe. We got big plans for the channel. We got a lot of things coming up. My next video is actually going to be about trading hypnosis and how the markets hypnotize you. So if you think that's going to be good for you, if you like the video, if you think it provided any sustenance to you in your life, give it a like, give it a subscribe. We got big plans coming up, so look out for those. But aside from that, I hope you guys are going to have a great day. Stay safe in the markets, because the markets are out to get you. Peace.